Let's do trigonometric ratios. So before you can do trigonometric ratio, you must be able to find your sides using a particular angle, which in our terms will be using our angle theta. So here's what you need to know, which is very important, is that what you need to know first is that from your angle theta to 90 degrees, you have your adjacent side. You have your adjacent side. 90 degrees points at the hypotenuse. This will be hypotenuse, like that. And the remaining side will be your opposite, just like that, opposite. So basically, that's how you find your side. Let me just write it down for you so you can remember. From your theta to 90-degree sine, that's why you have your adjacent side. Then your 90-degree sine, points at your hypotenuse. And the remaining side will be your opposite, just like that. Opposite, like that. Will be your opposite. Okay, so that's how you identify your sides. So you need to know how to identify your sides in terms of a particular angle. In this case, we were using our angle theta. Okay, let's just try another example and see. Let's take this time you were asked to find your side in terms of your angle beta right here. Okay, so this time you'll be using beta to find your sides. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Remember, we said from the angle that you've been given to 90 degrees, that's where you have your adjacent side. Your 90 degrees points at your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, and the remaining side will be your opposite. Just like that, we've located all of your sides. So let's just do a last example, okay, to get it into our heads. I said, if you were asked to find your sides in terms of your angle alpha, this time we're using alpha as our angle. I said from your alpha to your 90 degrees, from your 90 degrees to your alpha, that's where you'll find your adjacent side. I said your 90 degrees points at your hypotenuse, and the remaining side will be your opposite. So basically, that's how you find your sides. Okay, so that's it for today. See you again in the next video.